trap straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still saying what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weed in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tamed, I'd rather be wild. This is bandit, they wanna be down. Soon as this got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit, everybody wanna be rich, everybody wanna be this. If us you all hate me. Bring my problems, suck my all of that talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. This is mad, this is trash, this is a grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Up on the couch, back.
Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. Can try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught up. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess
You know what? I pulled up, he said my fit tight like a glove. He don't want the sex, he want this India love. I call it how I see it. If you ain't putting money in my pockets, I don't need it. If you can't put your money where your mouth is, nigga, beat it. I said you not my type, now you calling me conceited? I'm undefeated. He said he love a tight grip like this. He said his last bitch ain't never met him felt like this. He know I got that laser beam. Can you make me scream? Can you this? Can you that? Can you make me make some noise? What the fuck? Come on, nigga, is you tricking or what? I pulled up, he said my fit tight like a glove. He don't want the sex, he want this India love. Cream on the outside, cream on the inside. Niggas gotta squint their eyes just to see inside.
Y'all see this though? Y'all can't Y'all can't do this the day of, though. I love my hair.